Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we will unbox the parcel from Temu. I realized that I like a clothes or dresses that is bodycon, that is fit to my body. But right now, I'm a little bit chubby because I'm not consistent anymore to my gym. And I eat a lot. Yes, let's unbox this parcel from Temu and let's see if I can try them all because I'm really shy. Maybe it's not nice to me, but I'll try my best to have a nice fitting. My English is broken, sorry. First item is this. I already wear this one last time when I went to a club here. I wear this. It's a long dress. It's just simple as what I told. I like a fitting dress, like a bodycon. So this is it. It's a bodycon. This is how long it is. Yes, like this. Next, I need to be careful of my clothes because it can easily go down and you can see my breast. That's very dangerous. Char! So yes, let's open. So this is what good in Temu Parcel because unlike Shein, that there is like name here. Shein on Temu. Nothing. Just cellophanes. Let's open this. Another bodycon. It's a floral. Very nice. See? And this is here in the neck. Like this. And look that. Slanting. And yes, there's adjustment over here. And you can adjust. Just like that. So next, I'm gonna put it all in my lap so I can easily get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 6 more, and I already unboxed the 2 one. So let's unbox this. This is a bag. It's not anymore a clothes. Just a freebie. Not freebie, but I also need a bag for my gym because if I go to gym sometimes I want to go to the other place after the gym. So I don't like to carry a big gym bag everywhere. So I bought a average size of bag, but I don't think I will use it. I think I will give to my sister because she's going to school. I don't know, who knows. But let's open. Oh my god, this is what it looks like inside. It become rusty. I don't know why it become rusty. Maybe I didn't unbox for so long. This arrived last month and I didn't unbox it. So yes, this is the bag for the gym bag. Oh! It's broken now. I don't know how to fix this. I didn't use it yet, but I broke it. Or it's just like this. Yeah, I think it's just like this. The style, you see? And there's a flower style there. Oh my god. I hate China. Joke. Some of China things are good quality and some is not good quality. Oh my god, I don't know why this one is damaged. It's not a very damaged, like very damaged, but yeah, that's all. Let's open another. This one is a jacket. because sometimes cold weather is bad for my body, or like an AC like that, or even outside, if it's cold it's not good in my body. But yes, it's really bad to my body. The aircon in the gym or in the house. Sometimes I use AC, but mostly I don't use AC because it hurts my body. I don't know why is like that. So I bought this jacket. When I was in Manila, I bought like wait. Mm, When I was going to Manila, I bought one pen shop jacket, and then when I was in Manila, I bought another two jacket, and I ordered this one before I go to Manila. This is so crazy. So yes, look at this. It has a hoodie, and there is a zipper, and you can adjust it here, adjustable, just like my pen shop too. And this is good for the gym. It's dry fit. Really nice. Next. Next to open. I'm opening this randomly. This is the next one. It's not bodycon, it's see-through. I didn't thought that it's see-through. But yes, I can use this one for a content. And yes, it's so nice. There's a ribbon over here. Next. Okay, this is a bodycon. It's cotton. The top there, it's color pink, and there's a ribbon over here for the slit. Next. Oh, oh, this is a Sheena. It's a Sheen. This is not a. Oh my god. Not, not that one. This one. This is not a Sheen. It's a long dress bodycon. It's color yellow. Ta-da. And this. Very nice. Okay. I'm gonna check my phone if I miss something to unbox or open. I found the last one. This is it. I am literally just a girl. It's a crop top, and it's a bodycon crop top. I wish this is the one that I use for today's video, but anyway, I already did the whole video, so I'm gonna do a try on video. God, I'm chubby. I don't like it. Outfit for this video. And now let's do the try on. First, try on outfit with the print. I'm literally just a girl. It's nice, and my skirt is from Shein. I didn't make a video yet of this one. So yes, this is the whole body outfit. Yeah. This is good for daily use, the top. So you must buy this also. I really bought this because I don't have simple clothes for daily use. And to avoid the cold weather too, because I hate air condition. So yeah, wait. Oh my god, this outfit is so crazy. I hope everyone likes this my first outfit. Zoom please. Yes,
We girl, no girl.
that's all my first outfit. Thank you. This is so nice. Ang buta sa ang mic, nakalimot ko. Feet. Nice. Look the jacket. It's dry fit. It's very nice for the jogging and if you go to exercise with hoodie at the back. So yes, you simply put out your hair. Then do like this and let's go. Let's run. Hello everyone. This is the yellow bodycon dress. Pink over here. This is the black dress, the bodycon black dress. It's very fitting and it's a whole body up to there. And this is the bag. It's nice for a night out outfit. Bag. Very maldita bad girl outfit. That's all. Floral bodycon with the style here. It's a floral. Nice outfit for the beach. It's a beach vibes. And also can wear this in the mall, wherever, or party if it's floral party or birthdays. This is the last outfit. This is the last dress that I'm gonna flexing or try it on. And look at that. Very amazing. Very nice bodycon. It really fits to my body. It's a V something here. So that's all everyone. I hope you like everything, my clothes, outfits for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.